Hey, how's it going, everybody? Jesse here. What we're going to work on today is a Boss SD-1, and what we're going to do to it is we're going to turn it into a Tube Screamer Plus. They do use different types of clipping in them, so it's not going to sound exactly like a Tube Screamer, but it's going to give you a pretty good smooth sound. So we're going to be replacing 4 components. We're also going to be removing another one, a 5th one. But what we're going to use in this mod is a LED, a 3mm LED to replace D6. To replace D4, we're going to be using a 1N 4001 Zener diode. To be replacing Cap 2, we're going to be using a 0.047 microfarad capacitor. And to replace R4, we're going to be using a 470 ohm resistor. We're also going to be removing Cap 6, but we're not going to do anything to it. We're just going to leave it empty. All right, let's get started. So what we're going to do first is we're going to remove all the components. I already marked them to show me which spots I need to desolder. So we're going to desolder all these spots. I'm actually going to jump through this. I'm pretty bad at desoldering. I don't want to show you my failure. But moving forward, once we get all these guys out of there, we're going to be populating the board. All right, so let's populate the board. When installing Cap 2, there's going to be some gunk, and what I did is I just picked at it and pulled it away. It came off pretty easily. You could also use a razor blade to peel it back, but it was pretty easy to get off. But first, I'm going to install Cap 2. We're going to just throw this guy in there. Now we're going to move on to diode 4, the 1N 4001 Zener diode. Throw that in there. Diode 6, the LED, we're going to put that in there real quick. And now we're going to install the 470 ohm resistor in R16. So throw all those guys in there. And like I said before, we're not going to be replacing Cap 6. We're just going to remove the component in there. All right, after that, we're going to be soldering the new components in. All right, after soldering those guys in, I'm going to cut off the excess wire. When cutting off the excess wire, I usually try to get as close to the board as possible. That way it doesn't cause any contact problem or continuity issues. So yeah, let's throw it back together after that, and we're done. And you have a freshly modded Boss SD-1. For weekly pedal mods and messing with the electronics of pedals, stop by my channel, subscribe, and we'll have some fun. Thank you for watching.